Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're talking about a must-have for all the bearded gentlemen out there. Introducing the Scotch Porter Beard Trial Kit. This, my friends, is not just any beard kit. It's the holy grail for those with dry skin and unruly facial hair. Why? Because it's packed with everything you need to tame the wildest of beards while giving your skin the love it deserves. Let's break it down. First up, we have the Beard Wash. This isn't your average cleanser. It's a hydration-rich formula that gently cleanses away product buildup and grime without leaving your beard feeling dry and thirsty. Next in line is the conditioner. Trust me when I say, this stuff is like magic in a bottle. It softens and shines, leaving your beard feeling as smooth as silk. And the best part? It won't clog your pores. But wait, there's more. Say hello to the Shape Plus Hold Balm. This little gem is your secret weapon against unruly flyaways. It sculpts your beard into perfection while nourishing the skin underneath. Last but certainly not least, we have the serum. Want a beard that shines brighter than the sun? Look no further. Just a couple of pumps of this serum and your beard will be the envy of all. Now, what sets Scotch Porter apart? It's not just about the products, although they're pretty incredible. It's about the ethos behind the brand. Clean, non-toxic ingredients? Check. Free of parabens, sulfates, and silicones? Double check. And did I mention it's vegan? Yup, you heard that right. But it doesn't stop there. Scotch Porter is not just a brand, it's a movement. A movement to redefine grooming for the modern man. And with their commitment to small business and being Black-owned, supporting them means supporting a community. So there you have it, folks. The Scotch Porter Beard Trial Kit. The best beard wash for dry skin on the market, bar none. Say goodbye to rough, dry beards, and hello to the smoothest, softest beard you've ever had. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay groomed, stay stylish, and stay tuned.